Dear students, today I discuss the topic kinds of ovule. Ovule is many type. Number 1, orthotropous ovule. Orthotropous ovule. In this type of ovule, the micropyle, chalaza and funicle lie in one straight line. One straight line means ovule is upright or erect in condition. Orthotropous ovule in figure shows micropyle, chalaza and funicle lies in straight line. It is upright or erect in condition. Number 2 type of ovule is inotropous ovule. Inotropous ovule is in inotropous ovule, the body of ovule is completely inverted, so that micropyle and helium come to lie very close to each other. In this figure, inotropous ovule, micropyle, chalaza and embryo sac are situated at 180 degree angle, but funicle part situated on separate line. The example of inotropous ovule: all plants of Gymnopetalae and majority of angiosperms. Orthotropous of ovule example: families of Polyglonaceae and Piperaceae. Third type of ovule is hemitropous ovule. In this type of ovule, the ovule curvature is more pronounced and embryo sac become horseshoe shaped. Due to horseshoe shaped, the amphitropous ovule micropyle is situated downwards and chalaza part not lies in straight line. Funicle and chalaza part present at 180 degree angles. This type of ovule is curved. Due to curvature of ovule, embryo sac become horseshoe shaped. Example: family Alyssiniaceae and Butomiaceae. Fourth type of ovule is compylotropous ovule. In this type of ovule, when the ovule is curved, the micropyle is directed toward chalaza and chalaza is situated at right angle to the funicle. In this figure, ovule is curved shaped. Micropyle is situated toward downward. Chalaza is situated at right angle to funicle. In Campylotropous ovule, micropyle gets downwards. Not straight line with chalaza. In this type of ovule, example, member of Leguminosae, Cynopodiaceae and Cyperidaceae. Fifth type of ovule is hemitropous ovule or hemiinotropous. In this type of ovule, when nucellus and integuments lie more or less at right angle to the funicles, means in this figure, hemitropous ovule, micropyle, embryo sac and chalaza are situated at 180 degree angle, but funicle part situated on different line. In this figure shows funicle are situated at different line, such as example, family Ranunculus and family Primariluaceae. Sixth type of ovule is Sarcinotropous ovule. In this type of ovule, the funicle is exceptionally long and forms a complete circle around the ovules, which is free from. It speaks for a small area at the end of ovule. That means Sarcinotropous ovule is curved funicle. The curvature of ovule help of 180 degree angle to the 360 angle. The micropyle, embryo sac and chalaza are situated at a straight line. The funicle of ovule cover the micropyle due to curvature of ovule. In this type of ovule, example, Opuntia and other member of families Cataceae and Plumiaceae. So, I discuss different kinds of ovule and describe by figures. So, I will hope students are satisfied. Thank you.